I am super excited about this next stop in Catania, Sicily, because my all-time favorite restaurant is a Sicilian restaurant at home. Really looking forward to seeing if Catania's food is as good as the Sicilian food I've had at home. Catania is a noisy and chaotic southern Italian port city in Sicily with an amazing mixture of culture and traditions. The huge Mount Etna volcano is its backdrop, which is both menacing, since it remains one of the world's most active, yet is extremely beneficial to the city's agriculture, enriching the soil to create incredibly flavorful foods. I can't wait to try what I hear is mouth-watering cuisine, so I'm meeting my friend Esther, who'll be taking me to some of her favorite places.
Welcome to Catania. I'm so excited to show you around one of my favorite cities in Sicily. And wait till you've tried some of these foods. You know, there's so many things that make Catania so special, but I think probably the #1 influencer, Mount Etna.
Mount Etna.
You know, while she destroys, actions act as a fertilizer. So the wines here are different, the olive oil, the fruits, the vegetables, and really she reigns over Catania.
So do you feel that the vegetables here are bigger and better because of her?
Everything in Sicily is bigger, better, tastier, more colorful, and louder. First up, fish market. One of the largest in Europe and one of the most robust as well.
Oh boy, loud, huh?
And then we're gonna go to a cafe, try some arancini, some cannoli, some granita. Your taste buds are going to be dancing.
Amazing influences here, I'm sure.
Amazing influences because, you know, the foods here in Sicily are not like Italian foods because of all these different people and nations and conquerors that came through here. The Greeks, you know, the Romans were here, the Arabs, then the Normans came here, the Habsburgs, the Spanish, and they all left their mark on Sicilian cuisine.
Wow.
And it's really a mixture that is unlike anywhere else.
Fantastic. Although it's winding down for the day, I can't miss out on seeing Catania's greatest attraction, their famous fish market that is one of the biggest spectacles in all of Italy.
It's like sea bream, sea bait.
She got it.
Try it. There you go, shrimp. Oh, no. Huh? Look, he's eating shrimp. Look at that.
Got it. 𝐸𝐿𝐵.
Oh, no. You have to suck it out. Suck it out. Suck it out.
Man, that's good.
Man, that's good.
I've never had it like that.
Good, right?
Yes.
Right
off prickly
the shores,
too.
right off the shores, right here in Catania. Tutto bene?
Sì.
Okay.
It's a good breakfast.
So the market here is very different than the markets up north because it has the Arab influence. See, this guy is like bartering and yelling.
Yeah.
You don't hear that up north in Italy.
It's much more mellow.
It's much more mellow. He's the un euro, one euro. Ciao.
Guardate.
Swordfish?
Oh, man.
Pesce
I
spada.
love how they show the head so you know what it is. How's it going today?
Gombre.
Posso?
Boom.
Oh.
Not touching the octopus.
Look, he wants you to try it. He wants He wants to try your shrimp.
For me? Oh, not that one. They're awfully friendly here. They just want to keep feeding you.
Look at the size of these shrimp.
I know. I think they're
Questa
really
è Mazzaro
huge.
del Valo?
Sì.
Is this
No,
mullet?
this is from...
Mangiare. Wait. Prendi, giovane.
But all of these are from right here in Catania.
Amazing. They do this on a daily basis.
Yeah.
What a life, huh?
It's a tough life.
Oh, yeah.
It's a tough life.
Giovane. Scusa, come on.
Okay, now I'm deaf.
Come on.
This is really typical right here. The pistachios from Bronte, the almonds,
Definitely
First
one of
and
these.
foremost, this
Good
is
old pistachio.
the good old pistachio that's famous from Etna.
Pretty.
That's, and here, taste one of these. This is toasted. Ciao. Lei vuoi assaggiare? Wait, he's got to put the lemon on
yes.
because everything, this is the land of lemons and fish.
Peperoncino.
Hot pepper flakes.
Nice.
Okay, here you
Yeah.
go.
Thank you.
Ching ching.
That. Salute.
Mm. Mm.
Oh.
Wow. Buono.
See, that's why you don't need salt. They're perfect. The parsley, the lemon.
And the hot pepper flakes.
Viva Catania!
Quite nice.
Viva Catania!
Ce le mani
No.
sporche.
Oh, I like this little.
His hands are dirty.
No.
Hello.
Mm.
Hi.
I'm Esther.
Executive chef and the chef of the fish restaurant on board. So what else are you buying? Fish and cheese and all?
The cheese over here, and then you can see the cherry tomato.
The colors of all
And
the
then
foods
all
are
this
beautiful.
peppers down over here.
Pretty amazing. Pretty crazy market,
Yeah, it
but it's
is.
good.
As soon as you buy it, they love it so much.
Well, we have to carry on. I need you back at the ship and have fun.
Ciao. Ciao.
So what kind of melon is it? Like a
So,
honey?
Jello.
Alright.
Jello. It's a yellow melon. It's very sweet. It's like honey. It's not honeydew. It's not cantaloupe.
So it's a cross between the two.
It's a cross
Perfect.
between the two.
That's nice.
Have you ever seen a walnut this big?
Oh no.
Take a look at this walnut.
Oh.
This is from Sorrento. The
Different
difference of the
sizing. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
cool, huh?
They make them big here.
These are chocolates from Modica. And they're infamous because of the way that they make them. No milk. They make it like the old Aztecs. Grazie mille. This is the chocolate from Modica.
With chili.
Oh, with chili.
Ooh.
Yeah. Nice.
It's sort of an acquired taste.
Anything with
You-
spice, I
any-
love. So I'm sure. Yeah.
And you know what I do in the morning? I shave a little bit of this in my coffee.
Wow.
Oh, couscous. We haven't even discussed couscous.
Is that a big thing?
You don't
here?
think of Sicilian food as
Yeah. Where
being
did all these
couscous.
influences come from?
The Arabs. In fact, in September,
Smells
there's
like
the
that here.
couscous festival in 𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐻, where for 2 or 3 weekends, people from all over the world come to compete in this couscous festival.
Incredible, man.
And
See?
with everything, right? You can have it with fish, with meat, with vegetables, but yeah.
That smells
couscous.
like a little bit of the Middle East right here with all these spices, doesn't it? It's really great. As Esther says, it's one of the most popular treats in Sicily. We head to a busy cafe on the main street for granita, a frozen treat that is eaten any time of day, even breakfast.
So
How
I'm so
exciting.
excited to try granita.
Granita, yes.
So it's not Italian ice, it's not slush, it's granita. And of course, look at the
cannoli.
cannoli. Yes, cannoli is
Lots of
Sicilian.
pistachio.
And then arancini, which is rice ball.
Yeah, so normally
you
you
have-
see them round, but not here.
This one, the pistachio and almond for you.
Yes. Thank you.
And the gelsi and lemon for me.
Oh, that looks
Would you
refreshing.
@𝐞𝐞𝐫𝐞'𝐬, per
This
favore?
water is good.
So you're gonna have to try a little bit of both. So people, it's an entire event around granita. People say, you know, let's meet for granita. Try
So
this.
pistachio.
This is
This is pretty fabulous. This is pretty
okay.
delicious.
This was brought here by the Arabs, who went up on Mount Etna, shaved the ice, kept it cool
Amazing.
in baskets and in caves. And then when they came down here, they added the local flavor. The lemons, the strawberry, the pistachio, the almond. Cleanse your
Oh, you
palate
just
with
bite
a
the
little-
head off.
So you can eat it like that. You take the
Favorite.
top off, or you bite into it. Arancini is a street food.
Yes and no, but you're used to seeing them round. I like how the shape here is
So
like
this
your
one is
mountain.
ragu.
Oh yeah.
Ragu, so it's made with a meat
made
sauce.
out of meat.
They also have the butter one, the spinach ones, and now for the piece de resistance,
The cannoli.
ricotta cannoli.
There's nothing like ricotta. Oh man.
It's too pretty to eat,
It
right?
kind of is. But guess what? I'm gonna do it anyway.
Good, right? Shell is crisp. Ricotta is fresh.
That ricotta is super, super creamy. I think that's my favorite thing yet. That is really delicious. I'll share everything else, but not my cannoli. There's still a little time left for more gastronomic goodies at one of Catania's best local restaurants. Tucked away from the hectic city center, this place serves many of the typical Catalan dishes with local ingredients from the region. I can't wait to try them. Thank you. This day has been fabulous, starting with the fish market. And I know you brought me here because
it's one of the best restaurants in Catania. In fact, we bring all our friends and travelers here, and they say one of the best restaurants in all of Sicily.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.
And they do a great job with typical Sicilian food.
Concetto,
grazie.
Ciao.
Okay, so we have a little olives. So we have typical Sicilian antipastas.
Wow, this looks beautiful. Oh my goodness.
The olives, the artichoke, the sun-dried tomatoes.
It's a beautiful plate.
So, bon appetit.
Thank you. Thanks for bringing me here. You know, so has this restaurant been here a long time?
60 years.
Oh my God.
So they're well established. And you know why I knew this was a good restaurant when I first came here? Next to us were the police officers, the head of the Catania police. Then the table next to us, there were some locals. And I was like, this is going to be a good place.
You always follow the locals.
You follow the locals. You look at the bread.
Yeah.
The bread is made locally. Right inside, there's a pizza. The wines are local. Everything from here is local.
Just saying it's been here for 60 years says it all, because how many places last that long? Not many. So it's, you know, it obviously has the traditions and the people that keep bringing other people here. And it's great because right now, like, we are in the middle of this busy city, but I don't feel like we're in the middle of a busy city, except for a few honking horns. Ooh, look at those pistachios.
So this is the
famous
typical,
Catania dish?
famous Catania dish.
This, I've been actually really waiting for this because I know it's one of the really, I guess you'd say, infamous dishes from here.
From Catania? For sure.
Thanks so much. Oh my goodness.
And you have a little bit of the, you know, the sauce and the saltiness of the ricotta salata.
There's more in there too.
More eggplants. Oh yeah, this is made with an eggplant sauce. So, have you ever had pasta with pistachio?
Pistachio, this is pretty outrageous.
And it has a little bit of bacon in there.
Like,
Pistachio and everything.
This is great. Wow. I never thought of putting pistachio in my pasta before, but this is such a wow. We
It'll
don't
make
get
it a little bit
pistachios like
creamy.
this.
You don't have pistachio like
Well, we
this.
have pistachio, but not quite the same that I've been
It's also
tasting today.
pasta with almonds. So
Amazing.
good.
Gosh, fantastic. All right, so you know that all that pasta. Now you're telling me there's more?
Of course, here you do antipasta, the primo,
right.
the secondo,
That's right.
and we have a little bit of swordfish.
Oh my goodness.
They make it very simple here. It's thin, it's grilled, and of course, it
Look,
can't
there's
be
lemons.
complete without.
This is lemon, right?
Oh, this is lemon,
Look at that falling apart. Wow.
and you know, a little bit of olive oil,
Oh yeah.
and then a little balsamic glaze.
Beautiful. Let's try it.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite dishes.
I want you to know that I don't usually enjoy swordfish because generally it's too, I guess when it is thicker and it's too meaty and too tough and too,
This is tender.
it's juicy and kind of like very light.
Sicilian food can be complicated like
So it's good.
caponata,
Yeah.
but it can be simple. Simple is the best.
Well, after all the pasta, I didn't think I could eat more, but you could do that. You could do that with fish. This is so good. What a lovely, amazing, great food.
Really enjoyed showing you guys around.
Me too.
Really
Me
enjoyed
too.
it.
The food is really awesome and amazing. Like I've been told that you have the best food. You really do. It's fantastic. Thank you. When I came to Catania, I didn't expect it to be such a big city. And the market was so vibrant. But I got to see these incredible fruits and vegetables and fish the sizes of which I cannot believe. And I know that Mount Etna has had the influence over everything. And then to eat all that food, it just shows you what a real foodie paradise this place is.